This recipe is a shortcut for some of the best zucchini you've ever had. Pastella is a classic Italian batter used to fry a variety of vegetables, and zucchini is the perfect pairing for the light and crispy crust. Let's begin with 1 cup of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to slowly mix in about 1 cup of very cold sparkling water, which will help contribute to the airy texture. It's all about consistency rather than adding a certain amount of water. So just pour in enough until you get an even and creamy batter, which will be fairly liquidy and look something like a crepe batter. You might find other variations of pastella with eggs or white wine, but this is the simplest version. Except I'm adding a handful of torn basil leaves because it goes perfectly with the zucchini, especially when it becomes part of the crispy coating. After you give it a mix, toss in a couple ice cubes and place it in the fridge to keep the batter as cold as possible while we cut the zucchini. And here I have about a pound of baby zucchini, which are preferable over the larger ones since they're much sweeter, but normal zucchini will be just fine as well. Remove the ends and cut them down the middle before slicing each half into thirds. So each stick should be no wider than ½ an inch. A good reference point would be a shoestring french fry. So if you're using regular zucchini, you'll probably want to cut them in thirds so they're not too long. After all the zucchini is cut up, pour in about 1½ inches of frying oil, like sunflower or grapeseed, into a heavy bottom pan. Heat it up to 350 degrees or until it bubbles rapidly when you add a little bit of batter. Once the oil is ready, drop a handful of zucchini into the bowl and mix them around to coat evenly. Then begin carefully placing them into the oil, allowing the excess batter to drip off. After you add the first batch, turn up the heat slightly since the temperature of the oil will drop initially. Begin nudging them around with a fork so they don't stick together, but you can easily break apart any that do. Let them fry for about 3 minutes, which will be plenty of time to cook the delicate zucchini. Place them on a wired rack to drain off the excess oil. Continue on with the other batches. It's easiest if you use a pair of tongs to drop them into the oil, and you can rub them against the side of the bowl to quickly get off the extra batter. Since there's only water and flour in the batter, they won't get very brown, so you're just going for a very light golden color. Make sure you hit them with a generous pinch of salt right after they come out of the oil so it sticks on. The thin batter is great because it lets the flavor of the zucchini stand out with a hint of basil. And these are so light and crispy, they're like eating potato chips. Please leave any questions or thoughts in the comments and let me know if you plan on trying these out. Thank you for watching.